ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघायते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं श्रीपरमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्यमीश्वरम्। हरे कृष्ण। तो हम कल कथा सुन रहे थे कि किस तरह श्री सची देवी के गर्भ से श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु इस पृथ्वी पे अवतरण किए। सची देवी हम सब जनरली मैक्सिमम 9 महीना, कुछ अभी तो आजकल हमारे जो जनरेशन नेक्स्ट आ रहे हैं वो तो 7-8 महीना 8 महीने में। हमारी माधवी तो बहुत जल्दी पैदा हो गई। बहुत सारे लोग आजकल बहुत जल्दी पैदा हो रहे हैं, पर श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु 13 महीना सची देवी के गर्भ में वास किए। तो जगन्नाथ मिश्रा सची देवी अत्यंत विचलित, चिंतित रहते थे कि अरे क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है। और उनको अनुभव भी था कि 8 पुत्रियों का मृत्यु हुआ था, पर नीलांबर चक्रवर्ती सची देवी की पिताजी बताए कि ये जो व्यक्ति पैदा होने वाला है ये एक बहुत सगुन, ऑस्पिशियस, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही नक्षत्र और तारा मंडली के लिए वेट कर रहा है। और जब सही नक्षत्र, सब कुछ सही जगह पे आ जाएंगे तो ये पैदा होगा। ये नीलांबर चक्रवर्ती बताए। पर श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने कौन सा समय निर्धारित किया जो सबसे अपशकुन होता है। पूरा नक्षत्र मंडली में सबसे अपशकुन जो माना जाता है वो है चंद्र ग्रहण और सूर्य पराग, एक्लिप्स, जहां पे राहु सूर्य और चंद्र को ढक देते हैं। और राहु अत्यंत प्रभावशाली ग्रह है और कुप्रभाव डालते हैं। पर श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु एक सबसे अपशकुन समय के लिए अपेक्षा कर रहे थे सची देवी के गर्भ में, ताकि पूरा ब्रह्मांड को पता चले कि किस तरह वो आ रहे हैं और भगवान की हरि नाम संकीर्तन को चालू करने वाले हैं, युग धर्म को। और भगवान का नाम नित्य शुद्ध पूर्ण मुक्त अभिन्नत्वम नाम नामिनो। नाम चिंतामणि कृष्णा चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्धो नित्य मुक्तो अभिन्नत्वम नाम नामिनो। भगवान का नाम पूर्ण शुद्ध है और हर परिस्थिति को शुद्ध कर सकता है। श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु सबसे अपशकुन नक्षत्र, सबसे अपशकुन परिस्थिति में आविर्भूत हुए और ये समझाने के लिए कि उनका आविर्भाव पूरा जगत को कल्याण करने के लिए है। वंदे जगत प्रिय करो करुणावतारो। और श्री सची देवी, जब श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु आविर्भूत हुए, श्री सची देवी चैतन्य महाप्रभु निमाय के शरीर की अंग कांति देख के सोचने लग गई कि वो एक व्यक्ति को पैदा किए हैं या फिर एक सोने की पर्वत को। That was Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, dazzling like molten gold. And सची देवी चित्कार करने लगे, प्रभु प्रभु, to जगन्नाथ मिश्रा, आप आइए, आपकी सुनहरा बेटा का शकल देखिए। और जगन्नाथ मिश्रा आवाज प्राप्त करके दौड़ के आए और जैसे ही जगन्नाथ मिश्रा अपने छोटे बालक का स्वरूप देखे, निमाय का स्वरूप देखे, श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु की स्वरूप देखे, श्री जगन्नाथ मिश्रा का हृदय में अलौकिक आनंद उत्पन्न हुआ। श्री वृंदावन दास ठाकुर बताते हैं कि श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु की स्वरूप से, उनकी अंग कांति से जो आभा निकल रहा था, उस आभा के स्पर्श मात्र से ही हर व्यक्ति के हृदय में आनंद जागृत हो जाता था। That was the power of radiance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. कोई भी व्यक्ति छोटे निमाय को आके देखता था और जैसे ही उनकी आभा, जो एफल्सेंट रेडिएशन, just like we have radioactive radiations which cause so much of physical and mental and psychological damage, the supreme compassion of the supreme most compassionate magnanimous incarnation in the entire creation, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, just by his bodily effulgence was infusing divine happiness in the hearts and lives of everyone who was coming to take his darshan. And all the ladies who really came, they all saw the wonderful features of baby Nimai, and they were just crying, and with cries they told Sachi that let this boy be named Nimai, because we are fearful that we should not lose this child like all other kids. Because his presence and radiance is so mesmerizing so enchanting and so much of filled with happiness. In order to save him from all evil spirits, let us name him Nimai, the bitter one. It's very interesting. The most sweetest incarnation, सबसे प्रेममय, प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम, आनंद विग्रह अवतार का नाम, पहला नाम was given Nimai, the bitter one. Actually, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, spirituality is bitter in the beginning, poison in the beginning, and nectar in the end. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is nectar from beginning, from middle, from end, Adi, Madhya, Antya, his pastimes, his personality, his compassion. Everything about him is divinely. He is the source of all divine compassion. But to access Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as the most supreme incarnation, we need to give up this evil mentality of envy and finding faults. The ladies of Navadvip, they said, कि in order to safeguard Nimai, this child from the evil spirits, हम इसको निमाय का नाम देंगे. We'll give him the name Nimai. So that means the evil spirits can only access the bitter things. And that is why, if we really want to relish Lord Chaitanya's pastime henceforward, the entire month of Kartik, we must seriously take a pledge in our life of not finding faults and criticizing Vaishnavas. This mentality of evil behavior will not allow us to relish the sweetness of Lord Gauranga's pastimes. तो इस तरह Nimai was named Nimai. And all the ladies started chanting Nimai, 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 Nimai. And the entire universe reverberated with the sound Nimai. There was one great sage who had come to Navadvip, and understanding that the Supreme Lord is going to take birth, he stayed back in Navadvip. And this great sage who was disguised in the form of a Brahmana, he called Jagannath Mishra and said, "This boy who is born in your home will be the source of divine compassion for the entire world. In his association, everyone we will start loving each other. That will be the power of your son. And he will be nourishing the entire universe with greatest and supreme divine happiness. And hence, please give him the name Biswambhar. And as soon as Jagannath Mishra heard this, his tears were rolling and he cried out, Hari, Hari. And he, just imagine, you have your son, and who is predicted by an astrologer that he will be the Messiah for the entire world. How will be the divine emotions in your life, in your heart? He started crying, Hari, Hari, and he tightly caught hold the lotus feet of the Brahmana and started pouring incessant tears, drenching the feet of the Brahmana and begging for the blessings of the Brahmana so that his baby Nimai is able to be a source of inspiration and compassion for everyone. This is very, very important. No matter whoever you are, here we see that the Father of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is begging blessings from Brahmanas and superior Vaishnavas. And how much we should be begging blessings from other Vaishnavas. And then hearing the news that such a golden mountain, like Mount Meru, incarnation has come in Navadvip. Just imagine, someone gives birth to a golden child, Like when I was born, I was like black like charcoal. And even no one was ready to touch my sisters were telling, what nonsense person you have given birth. And because I was black and my mother was fair, my two sisters were fair, they used to tell me that you are not born from our mother, because our mother was getting too obsessed about having a son, and she was not having a son. She was having serious issues psychologically. That is why we adopted you from the hospital of Puri. But this is how, when the child is black like me, and now because all of your association, I'm becoming a little bit of fair. That's all because of association of wonderful Vaishnavas and chanting of Hare Krishna. Otherwise I was like outside. Inside my heart is still black like charcoal. But just imagine someone giving birth to a golden child whose radiance is filling your entire heart and existence with happiness. How much, what a news it will become in the Facebook and the Twitter and the Instagram. People will be taking selfies, and all the ladies, especially the ladies, are extremely delighted to see beautiful children. That is the nature of ladies. Even small girls have this nature. I have seen small girls, they just want to catch hold the child and caress him, kiss him. So all the ladies, Srivas Thakur's wife, Chandrasekhar's wife, they all came. And Aditi, the mother of demigods, she came in the disguise of a Brahmani, the wife of a Brahmana, with some grass and akshata, rice mixed with haldi, and kept them on the head of Sachi and baby Nimai, and started chanting prayers of invoking auspiciousness. The source of all auspiciousness is now being offered mantras for auspiciousness. This is the beauty of Krishna's incarnation as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Vrindavan Chandra also in Vrindavan. And then all other ladies, they offered their blessings to the child. They started chanting mantras. And very soon 8 days passed. And in the 8th day, Sachi Devi invited lot of children and fed them prasadam. This is our culture. To the culture of expressing gratitude and happiness. If I have got a son, then I should not be so absorbed in taking care of my son that I forget that anyone in Navadvip is having a son and a kid. Generally this happens. This is material consciousness. Material consciousness means if I have something, then whether anyone has it, whether anyone loves to have it, I don't even care because I have it. Yes? If I have got a plate of Mahaprasadam, recently, just a little bit of side information. Recently, His Grace Radhe Shyam Prabhu had come, and it was really wonderful visit and so nice classes. And then we had one special classes for all of us monks and sadhus and sannyasis, renunciates. And Radhe Shyam Prabhu was speaking about how we have to control our tongue and speech and senses as a sannyasi. It's important as a renunciate that we should have sense control and mind control. And in that he was playing a clip of Radha Govind Swami Maharaj, a 7-minute clip. It's really amazing. This was like icing on the cake of Radhe Shyam Prabhu's visit, that one clip of 7 minutes. And Maharaj was speaking about, generally, we have seen a cow when he eats, or an animal when he eats, he becomes very active. Human beings, when they go to offices, they eat and they become more active. But sadhus, when they eat, they would require to sleep. We have seen in India. But he was telling that Sastric injunction is when you get a sweet, we should always distribute it. We should never take it alone. This is the principle of renunciation of the sadhus. The sadhus, the sannyasis, should never accept anything alone. And this is also a principle in our Vedic culture. Sachi Devi understood that I have got a wonderful son. It's my responsibility as a part of celebration to feed all the kids of Navadvip. And on the 8th day, something called Ashtaprahari, Ashtakaliya celebration with Vrindavan Das Thakur mentions. Sachi Devi calls all the neighboring children and makes them take wonderful, wonderful prasadam and gives them a lot of sweets, sweetmeats, chocolates and nice pizza and pasta and whatever the children like. Children like specific item. And very soon, 1 month passed. The residents of Navadvip were not even understanding how the time was passing in Navadvip. This is, we have seen, when there is supreme, extreme happiness, we don't realize how the time is passing. Yes? Like Monday to Friday for a corporate person. It's like you don't realize why the time is going so slow when the weekends will come, and Saturday and Sunday I'll spend some time with my family, and when family time comes on Saturday and Sunday, you don't even realize how 2 days went away so fast. This is when happiness is there, we don't realize the timings. And all the Navadvip Vasis were eagerly waiting for 1 month to get over and Sachi Devi to come out of the maternity room. Because until and unless Sachi Devi comes out of maternity room, none of the ladies, none of the men, no one can catch baby Nimai. Everyone was irresistibly waiting to catch Nimai. And they were waiting, and those waiting when the 1 month will pass away. And when the 1 month passed away in the celebration where Sachi Devi first time after baby Nimai took birth went out of the house to take bath in Ganges. Advaita Acharya that time was not staying in Navadvip, he was staying in Santipur. When he got the news that Jagannath Mishra has given birth to a son, he had come during the time of pregnancy. And then Advaita Acharya, along with his wife Sita Thakurani, who is Parvati herself, comes for attending this festival of 1 month of baby Nimai. Vrindavan Das Thakur and Lochan Das Thakur have elaborately explained this festival. Sita Thakurani brought lot of items, auspicious items, and smeared the body of Sachi Devi with chandan kasturi, smeared the body of Nimai, and for the first time, Nimai with all auspicious fragrant items, with all the ladies, with Parvati herself as Sita Thakurani, Krishna as Nimai Pandit, Nimai takes the first bath, the first Abhisekam. And Sita Thakurani, Advaita Acharya, when they saw baby Nimai, their hearts completely got filled with so much of joy and happiness. Advaita Acharya was dancing, dancing and dancing. The sounds of Advaita Acharya dancing, seeing baby Nimai, reached the demigod planets, and Indra, Chandra, Brahma, they all came down to witness the dance of Advaita Acharya, seeing baby Nimai. And then everyone now gets the opportunity to catch Nimai. The small girls of Navadvip, they left their all studies, they left their all homes. They were constantly sitting, making queues. There was queue in front of Mother Sachi's house of the girls. The parents of all the girls were amazed that they are not playing, they are not doing anything, they are not fighting, they are not quarreling, they are not gossiping, they are not thinking about putting lipstick or putting nail polish or taking bath or doing any sringar. They are just obsessed to catch Nimai. And once one girl will catch hold of Nimai, he will not leave, and Sachidev will say, leave my son, leave my son, leave my son. She's just 1 month old. And then hearing the plea of Sachidevi, then the girl will put Nimai back in the cradle, and again another girl will come, oh Nimai, and then. And at that moment, just to trouble the girls, Nimai started crying so piteously that entire Navadvip came to stand still. Just imagine the supreme source of the incarnation of Narsingadev, who rode and created reverberation in the universe, who made Hiranyakashipu tremble in fear. The source of Narsingadev is now crying. What would be the condition of Navadvip? And then the girls who had assembled, they were like not knowing what to do. They have agitated Nimai. They were very fearful that the parents will stop them coming to Jagannath Mishra's house because they are agitating Nimai, and they were worried, and what we will do. They were running here and there to find out, someone was coming, ting, 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 please keep calm, please keep quiet, otherwise we will not get permission further to come and meet you, please keep quiet. Someone was sowing some patta, some leaves, something, some jingling of some instrument, something, and they were worried that if we are not able to pacify Nimai, then our coming to the house of Sachi Devi is gone. Because this is the first time Nima is crying. The who made everyone to make happy in the entire month is crying. It's a serious allegation on us. And being extremely fearful, one girl started piteously praying, Hari, Hari, please stop Nimai, only you, Hari, can stop Nimai. And as soon as Nimai heard the word Hari from the girl, he became quiet. And all the girls were pacified. Thank God. And again, within 2 minutes, Nimai started again roaring and crying. And then again, this time, all the girls, they said, oh, Hari, please make this Nimai quiet. And then again, Nimai became quiet. And then the girls understood that it is only by the blessings and mercy of chanting of the name of Hari that they will get the association of Nimai. And Nimai will always be happy if we constantly chant Hari, 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 Hari. And the ladies made the ladies who would be sitting and not catching Nimai, they will be all chanting Hari Hari, and the ladies who will be holding, they will be just kissing, licking, embracing Nimai to the heart's content. Understanding that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come and all the Navadvip Vasis are not knowing that he is the Supreme Lord, because the demigods, by mercy of Narad Muni, they know everything. What is hidden for them? Lord Chaitanya is Chadma avatar only for Prithvi Vasis. The demigods to know everything. All the demigods to play pranks and to a little bit of, in a jovial manner, Vrindavan Das Thakur says, all the demigods, they came in the disguise of ghosts or some mysterious, mystical figures to take darshan of Nimai. And all the Navadvip was, oh ghost, oh this ghost has come to trouble Nimai. And they will loudly chant Narayan mantras. And then the demigods laughing will go away. And then the Navadvip Vasis will say, just see, because of the laughing of Narayan, this ghost have gone away. And Jagannath Mishra, Sachi Devi, their entire existence was just facilitating the entire Navadvip Vasis to take darshan of Nimai and become divinely, supremely happy. This is the heart of a Vaishnava. Vaishnava's only pleasure is in facilitating other Vaishnavas in getting pleasure of the association of Krishna. The supreme Vaishnavas of Navadvip Dham, Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Devi, they were just facilitating all the Navadvip Vasis in taking the darshan of Nimai. And soon, very, very soon, Nimai's Annaprashan and name-giving ceremony, Namakaran, because 6 months have passed, will happen. What happened in the name-giving ceremony? what happened in the Annaprashan ceremony, and what all pastimes further will happen. In order to witness them, please do come tomorrow. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Shri Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki, Shri Shri Nityananda Prabhu ki, Shri Nimai ki, Jai Nimai, Jai Nitai. शिला प्रभुपाद की जय, समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे।